If you've been struggling to get people to open your emails, click on your Facebook ads and actually make a purchase, then this is going to be a really important marketing update for you. In the past 12 months, Facebook released a powerful new feature called Chatbots. Now, what is a chatbot and how can it benefit your business? Just as you can message a friend through the Messenger app, when an individual subscribes to your Messenger chatbot, you can then send communication to them. Just like email, people can subscribe and of course unsubscribe. And just like email, where you would use a platform such as Aweber, MailChimp, or even Infusionsoft to look after that database management, segment your audience, and then send out communications and even sequences, you can do the same thing with Messenger itself. Facebook have highly regulated this specific marketing feature, which is preventing individuals from spamming their audiences through the Messenger chatbots themselves. The way that it works is in fact pretty simple. Someone can leave a keyword comment on one of your ads or one of your posts that you share via social media. Once they enter a specific keyword and you let them know that you're going to communicate with them via Messenger after they've entered that, you can then send out a message via the chatbot that says, "Hey, great, thanks for interacting with us. If you'd love to learn more, type the word yes." Once they type the word yes, then you can send out a sequence of messages that follow that are really personalized to that individual themselves. We've also found it's in fact cheaper to build this subscriber list than it is an email subscriber list. But the other known benefits are the following. The first one is that the open rates on Messenger chatbots is upwards of 90%. Get this, can you get a 90% open rate on your email campaigns? I don't think so, and I don't think anyone can unless you're sending to 10 of your closest friends, and then maybe all of them will open it. In this case, you're able to get your message out into the marketplace, but the way that you do is you send a message out to them asking a question and giving them a couple of options. So the question would be, would you love to see my most recent video on Messenger chatbots? Yes or no? You can have them type the word yes, or you can actually set it up as a button so they hit the button. Once they hit the button, an automated message is then populated, which you've already pre-written, kind of similar to your email sequences. That pops up and it could share a link so they can then go visit the content either on the Facebook page, on YouTube, or wherever you want to send them. Guidelines around this are going to prevent individuals from abusing the platform itself, thereby keeping the open rates higher. The second benefit is that it's far-reaching. There are over 1 billion Messenger users, and marketers are reporting returns of 400% plus on their advertising spend, which is insane. Third, you can increase your organic reach on your Facebook posts by using the comment to message feature. And here's how that works. Once you post something to your Facebook page, the very first comment that you're going to leave on that particular post is to encourage individuals to type a specific keyword if they want to learn more about it. When you type that comment, you of course have to disclose that once they type that keyword, that you will be sending them a message via the Messenger app itself and that they can unsubscribe at any time that they wish. Once they type that keyword in, then you get permission to send them one message. They then have to reply to that message so you can send them further communication, which creates a very conversational interaction because you can't just blanket them with direct marketing broadcasts. And this is where it's really phenomenal and you can get super creative. This is where you can ask a question, give them a couple of different options, and further take them into a sequence that is personalized to the user's experience and isn't just a general broadcast. If we look at email, for example, yes, you can segment your audiences via that, but it's still a relatively general message. So it'll still get higher conversion rates than if you're broadcasting to everyone. But in the case of Messenger, it is personalized down to that individual's needs and wants right then and there. So the interaction is much more personalized, it's much more engaging, and the likelihood of conversions is a hell of a lot higher than email marketing in general. Does this mean email marketing is dead? Absolutely no. It generates hundreds of thousands of dollars for our business. We will continue to use it until it no longer works, which I don't see that being the case. Messenger is another addition to your marketing strategy that allows you to speak to your consumers in a very conversational manner and have a greater and deeper connection with the audience overall. The next benefit is that you can help to reduce customer service queries and overload for your business. One of the biggest problems that business owners face is, do they have enough resources to put those customer service people in place to manage all of the inquiries that are happening? And what we've found in the past couple of years is people are wanting their answers like yesterday. And if they don't get an immediate response, they're then hitting you up via email and sending you 5 messages, why aren't you replying to me? Not all businesses have the ability to provide an instant chat service where people immediately get back to them. With a Messenger chatbot, you can actually set up messages where they could hit the customer service button and you list a couple of your most frequently asked questions. That could be around price, what are the hours of operation, or even booking in a time for a particular service. By automating this aspect of the business, it can really free up cash flow because you're not having to have a full-time customer service person in place. That of course depends on the size of your business. If you're a startup or you're an entrepreneur and you're just getting started into the business right now and you don't have the funds for a customer service person full-time, then this can help you alleviate a lot of pressure on your part, which will allow you to continue to grow the business on a shoestring budget. And finally, the greatest benefit that we've seen is that it's super interactive and you can send different formats of content, not just video. You can also send images through the Messenger chatbot itself. Now, what you do need to remember is that it is a conversation. It's not like email where you send a broadcast out to everyone and you're getting them to click on a specific link. You want to go into this with the framework and the mindset that this is an interactive conversation that you're going to be having with your consumer. What are the questions that you can ask them? Can you show an image when they actually reply to that question? Or you could do what we've done, is that when they reply back to some of our messages, there's a video of me welcoming them to our tribe. That's a great way to increase your brand exposure and get your face in front of individuals that will help to set you apart from all of your other competitors that are still sending just emails. And one thing that's not to go understated is the fact that it's scalable. Because you set up automated sequences, it seriously frees you of having to get in there every single day and replying back to customer service emails. It also helps you to set up interactive marketing sequences that take you out of the picture but still feel personalized to the consumer themselves. Messenger is going to be as much an asset to your business as what email has been, if not more so, in the coming year. So do not look past this powerful marketing strategy right now. If you'd love to see how your business could benefit from Messenger marketing, then head over to benangel.co/messenger right now to learn how you could generate more sales using this powerful platform. In the meantime, take care and good luck.